Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to assign numeric variables and calculate them and find their values and to display in GW Basic. So let's start. First of all, we will open GW Basic, and as I have told you, we will clear the screen. Now, there is a question: web to assign 2550 in a variable A and 25 in a variable B. Calculate and display their sum and product. So let's start. First of all, we will write 10 CLS, then 20 assign. Whenever the word you hear assign or store, we use the let statement. So 20 let, it said assign in a variable A. So let A is equal to whatever value is given. So we will put that 2550. Next line number will be 30. Let variable B, it says, the question says assign in the variable B is equal to 25. Now it is telling us to calculate and display. Whenever we calculate, we use let statement. So it will be 40 let. We have to calculate what? Sum. So sum, for sum we can take S is equal to, we will not write these two numbers, we will write these variables that we have assigned, A plus B. So computer will understand the value of A and value of B, it will take and it will sum it up. Then we have to find the product. So it will be 50 let P. P for product. You can take any variable A to Z, but remember, whatever variable you have already assigned, you cannot repeat that. So P is equal to, we have to find the product, so we'll write A multiplied by B. Now remember, in basic we have to use asterisk sign for multiplication. Okay, then enter. Now we have already calculated. Now we need to display. So to display means print command, 60 print. Now whatever you want to display, so that has to be within the inverted comma, as I have told you in my previous video. So we can write the sum is, put equal sign, close. This is my message. So whatever message you want to give, that has to be inside the inverted comma. Then you have to give a semicolon, and what is the sum? We have assigned in S sum. So that same S we will copy over here, we will type over here. Next, same way we will do line number 70, print, and then we will do open inverted comma, the product is, put equal sign, close inverted comma, give a semicolon, and see product is assigned in the variable P. So I will take this P and I will write. Means by writing this program, computer will understand that S is equal to A plus B, and we are asking over here to print S. So what computer will do? Computer will take the value of A, will take the value of B, add them and store them in S, and it will display on S. Okay, it will display on the screen the value of S. Same way computer will see, we are asking computer to print the product. So computer will multiply and it will store the value of this product in P and it will display over here. So as we finish the program, we need to write end, and then we will press F2, or you can write run and press enter, and here you can see the sum is equal to this and the product is equal to this. Okay, now we will move on to the next program. Next question is WAP to assign. WAP, what is WAP? WAP, all in capital letter. The full form of WAP is write a program. So WAP to assign 2024 in a variable P and 20 in variable Q. Calculate and display their difference and quotient. Quotient means whenever we divide and the result that we get is called the quotient. So let us clear the screen. Then we will write 10 CLS 20. It is telling us to assign 2024 in a variable p. So let assign or store, I told you we have to use, whenever the word assign or store is there, we have to use let statement. So we will write let p equals 2024, then 30, let q equals 20, enter, then 40. Now we have to calculate. Whenever we have to calculate, we use let statement. Now we have to calculate the difference. So difference we can take as d, variable d, and difference will be p minus q. Remember, we do not have to subtract. We just have to put the variable and computer will do the job for us. Then 50, let, we have to find the quotient, but we cannot take q over here. We have already taken the variable q. So we can type over here division, div. You can take a small word also, is equal to, it will be p divided by q. We use this front slash for division sign in basic. Then 60, we need to print. Display means we have to print. 60, print, open inverted comma, we can write difference equals close inverted comma, then you have to give semicolon. Okay, so print difference, it will be d. 70, print division, or we can write quotient, 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 put equal sign, close inverted comma, semicolon, and what variable we have assigned in div. So we will write here div. Our job is done. Then we have to tell computer that the program is finished. So how computer will understand? When we give line number 80, whatever the line, last line number, and we have to write end. Press enter and run the program. Now see, the difference is given and the quotient is also given over here. Okay, so this way we assign the numeric variables and we find and calculate their values. So till then, take care, stay connected. Thank you.